Nestled in the green spaces of Clark ay ang inyong next food spot? Para sa mga mahihilig sa crunchy chicken at delightful pizza. From being a premier business hub to being a preferred tourist destination, Clark Freeport Zone has a lot more to offer. And here at In Focus, we will help you discover the exciting things that you shouldn't miss on your next adventure here. Let us be your ultimate guide to the many tourist facilities, business attractions, and events at Clark Freeport Zone. Isa sa mga guilty pleasures natin pagdating sa food ay ang chicken at pizza. At kung naghahanap ka ng isang go-to place to have that sumptuous session with chicken and pizza, join me as I discover another great food hub here at In Focus, featuring the best of Clark. Pagpasok pa lang sa restaurant, bubungad sa'yo ang gigantic image of Kakao emoji na si Frodo, na isa sa mga emoji characters sa sikat na messaging app na Kakao Talk. At siguradong hindi mapipigilan ang mag-selfie o mag-roofie dahil sa inviting vibe ng display na ito. Bukod sa eye-catching photo spot na ito ng restaurant, #good vibes naman ang ambience ng kanilang cafe. Decorated with modern furnishings and designs, every corner of the restaurant ay Instagram-worthy. Syempre, bukod sa interior at ambience ng restaurant, ang pinaka hindi mo palalampasin ay ang kanilang ipinagmamalaking chicken at pizza. Kakaiba ang ino-offer nilang chicken recipes and types of pizza dito dahil ang kanilang versions ng mga ito ay hango pa sa mga recipes sa Korea.
Tinawag namin siyang Kakao Talk dahil yun nga ang ano namin is parang pinaka main dish namin is chicken and pizza. And then yung word na kakao naman is kinuha namin sa application which is mahahanap mo sa Play Store na Kakao Talk, yung famous ngayon.
Ilan sa mga flavors na pwede nyong pagpilian pagdating sa kanilang chicken are Gangnam, Sweet and Juicy, Soy and Garlic, at Original. Pagdating naman sa pizza, meron silang Super Supreme, Bulgogi, Hawaiian Sweet and Shrimp. Meron din silang varieties of pasta at side dishes.
Ang concept ng restaurant namin is we serve Korean style chicken and pizza Meron ding ibang Korean food like tteokbokki, odentang, and then also meron ding carbonara and spaghetti for Filipino.
Dito sa restaurant, meron din silang facility where you can have a private meeting or discussion for groups, or even a private activity with your loved ones or family.
Meron kaming party room for the birthday celebrant or any occasion. And then we have many tables for the friends, groups, or magshota, ganon.
Aside from chicken and pizza, meron ding ibang mga Korean-inspired food dito na pwede nyong itry. Nariyan ang kanilang ramen, Korean side dishes like the classic kimchi, at marami pang iba.
Almost all ng ginamit namin dito sa pag-build ng restaurant namin, ginagamit namin na for chicken, pizza, sa lahat is, and then ingredients, mga toppings. Actually, almost all from Korea galing.
Ang kanilang pizza kasi dito ay mayroong sweet potato sa crust na siyang nakadaragdag linamnam at nagko-complement sa iba pang toppings ng kanilang pizza. Ang sweet potato na ito ay sourced pa galing Korea, kaya naman unique presentation and unique tastes talaga ang pizza nila dito. Sabayan mo pa ito with their various flavored chicken wings or drumsticks at siguradong solve ang inyong cravings.
Napag-decide namin na paghaluin ng chicken and pizza, pero naisip din namin na gusto namin ibahin ang lasa o iba naman ang taste para sa mga Pinoy. Kaya kami naglagay ng sweet potato sa gilid ng pizza. And then naglagay rin kami sa gilid ng sa loob ng tinapay ng cheese para naman kahit walang tapon. Kasi karamihan ng kumakain, tinitira nila yung matitigas.
Ang kanilang food servings dito ay pasok para sa isang group meal na ma-e-enjoy ng inyong barkada and family.
Actually, sa mga first-time goers namin, I recommend Super Supreme sa pizza. And then we have, in chicken naman, we have soy garlic. And then, sa drinks, i-recommend ko yung iced tea namin na medyo iba sa panlasa ng Pinoy. And kasi we call that red iced tea. Red iced tea kasi based on our experience, maraming nasarapan. And then, ang dami nang tatanong paano to ginawa.
If you're trying to find a spot for your next food adventure with a unique chicken flavors and pizza recipe, Kakao Chicken and Pizza Restaurant is just a perfect place to do just that.
Sa mga nanonood ngayon, please visit our restaurant. Located po ito sa 106 to 108 on Commercial Lot 1E, Aguinaldo Street, Clark Freeport Zone, Pampanga. In front po siya ng Redwood Villas and then beside siya ng On Hotel. Open po ito ng 12 noon hanggang 2 midnight. And then sa mga gustong magpa-deliver, meron kaming free delivery. Just contact our Globe number 0977-10511. Sa smart user naman, meron kaming 0928-10511. And then please visit and like our Facebook page, Kakao Chicken Pizza Restaurant. Thank you.
Chicken or pizza, whatever it is that you're craving for, you might as well try it here at Kakao Chicken and Pizza. I'm Julia and this is In Focus featuring the best of Clark. From being a premier business hub to being a preferred tourist destination, Clark Freeport Zone has a lot more to offer. And here at In Focus, we will help you discover the exciting things that you shouldn't miss on your next adventure here. Let us be your ultimate guide to the many tourist facilities, business attractions, and events at Clark Freeport Zone.